you made a promise, whether it is merong holy matrimony, kasal, what have you, pwede ring wala. It's just a promise between you and your person na parang sinasabi mo, seryoso ko dun sa promise, 'di ba? Walang iwanan with the King of Wands and the Death card. So parang ito yung sasabihin nitong taong to or ikaw, no, you may exchange the energies. Pwedeng ikaw nandito sa role na to, pwedeng yung person mo. That's okay. Baka sabihin niya, ay baliktad po, that's okay. What I'm reading here is the dynamic. Sasabihin nito ng taong ito, yung, alam mo, gusto kong, gusto kong ayusin. Pwedeng humingi ng apology, pwede ring ang nakikita ko dito is efforts, no? Na makikita mo naman talaga yung pagbabago. Makikita mo naman talaga itong will, yung drive na gustong ayusin. With the Seven of Swords, siguro ibalik yung trust na nasira. Probably this person betrayed your trust, nakapagsinungaling. It doesn't matter how many times, no? Pero nandito yung genuinity with the Nine of Pentacles. Somehow nakikita mo naman yung mga efforts. Kaya medyo nakangiti ka. Pero nangangamba ka pa rin. Your mind is probably telling you, naku, baka simulan na naman niya, no? Or baka ningas kugon, no? Sa umpisa lang magaling and then babalik na naman. But what I am seeing in here is chances are this is magdidire-diretso. Parang normal lang naman din, no? Na magkaroon ng maalala yung pain, maalala yung mga ganyan. Para at least you can compare, no? Pero when we see that the person is really trying, that the person is parang humihingi, whether it is verbal or in action ng another chance, why not give, no? Dumating ka rin naman sa isang punto ng buhay natin na humingi ka rin ng second chance. Pwedeng sa trabaho, no? Pwedeng nagkamali tayo sa trabaho, matatanggal na sana tayo, pero we were given a second chance. Sa school, no? Pwedeng ibabagsak na tayo, pero humingi tayo ng special project, and then we were given a second chance, di ba? I mean, dumating din tayo sa puntong ganon. With the Six of Cups, minahal naman natin, no? Minahal din naman natin itong energy na ito, whether it is trabaho, no, family, relasyon. And what I am seeing in here is hindi man siya malalagpasan, no? Yung sasabihin, ay mas masaya kami ngayon kaysa nung nagsisimula kami. Or kung hindi man siya malalagpasan, mas yung maile-level, no? Doon sa kung paano kayo nagsimula. I feel like